Hi guys! Sa video na to is i-maximize natin ang ating calculator which is this Casio FX570S Plus para mag-convert ng complex numbers in rectangular form to polar or exponential form or vice versa. Okay? So, unang-una, ilagay lang muna natin yung calculator sa complex mode. So, naka-complex mode na siya. In case na hindi pa, punta lang kayo sa mode and then press 2 for complex. Okay, so lahat ng i-compute natin dito is within the range of complex numbers. Okay, ngayon, kapag nagko-convert tayo ng complex numbers, particularly in polar form, usually yung argument or yung theta niya is in radian. So para safe, ilagay natin yung mode ng angle into radian. So naka-radian na siya, denoted by R. In case hindi pa, punta lang kayo sa Shift, Setup, and then piliin nyo yung 4 for rad. Okay? So, dito sa mga na-solve nating problems dun sa previous videos ko, try nating i-verify yung solutions natin. So, dito we have to transform the following complex numbers to polar form and exponential form. So, given tayo ng mga rectangular form, i-convert natin to polar form and exponential form. So, ang mahalaga lang naman dito is polar form. Kasi yung exponential form, once makuha natin yung R modulus and yung theta argument sa polar form na makikita natin sa calcu, mako-convert na rin natin into exponential form, applying this form na R e to I theta for exponential form. Okay? Sige, input natin for number 1, 1 plus I. Input 1 plus, tapos ito yung I, equal, and then press shift, followed by 2, complex. Tapos, makikita nyo yung 3, R angle theta. Pag pinili nyo yung 3, mako-convert yung complex number natin in rectangular form to its polar form na R angle theta form. Okay? Then, press equal. Yan. So, ito yung R natin, yung square root of 2, yung modulus. Tapos, yung theta or argument is 1/4 pi, which is correct. Okay? Square root of 2 angle pi over 4. Next, for number 2, we have negative 1 plus square root of 3i. So, input natin negative 1 plus square root of 3 and then I equal, again, shift 2 and then 3 for polar form equal. Okay, we have 2 angle 2/3 pi, which is correct. Okay. Next, for number 3, negative 2 square root of 3 minus 2i. So, input natin negative 2 square root of 3 minus 2i equal, shift 2, 3 for polar form equal, okay, we have 4 angle negative 5, 6 pi, which is correct. Okay. Next, for number 4, we have 2 minus 5i. So, input natin 2 minus 5i equal, shift 2, 3, press equal. Okay, ito yung polar form niya, square root of 29 angle approximately negative 1.19 rad, which is, okay, correct. Ngayon, magko-convert naman tayo from polar or exponential form to rectangular form. Mahalaga dito na pakuha natin yung R tsaka theta sa bawat polar form para ma-input natin dito sa calcu in R angle theta form and then i-convert natin into rectangular form. So for number 1, we have 5 cosine pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3 naka-trigonometric form. So, hanapin natin yung R. We know na yung R is 5, tapos yung argument theta is pi over 3. So, input natin, paano yung input? Dapat naka-R angle theta form. So, yung R, which is 5, then shift, eto, yung angle symbol, then input nyo yung theta, which is pi over 3. Okay, pi over 3. Press equal. Okay, mako-convert na siya into rectangular form, which is 5 halves plus 5 square root of 3 over 2i, which is correct. Okay. Next, For number 2, we have 3e to I pi over 4. So, yung 3 natin yung r. Okay? Tapos, yung theta natin is pi over 4. So, input natin, r angle theta form. Bale, r is 3. Shift angle. Then, yung theta is pi over 4. Press equal. Okay, ito yung rectangular form niya, which is 3 square root of 2 over 2 plus 3 square root of 2 over 2i. So, correct. Next, for number 3. Okay, naka-r angle theta na siya. Square root of 2, angle negative 7, 6 pi. So, yung r is square root of 2. Tapos, yung theta is, ito, negative 7, 6 pi. Input natin, square root of 2, angle negative 7 over 6 pi. Okay, ang masasolve niyang value is negative square root of 6 over 2 plus square root of 2 over 2i, which is correct. Next, for number 4, we have 4e to negative 2i. Okay, so yung r natin is 4. Tapos yung theta natin is itong negative 2. So input 4, angle, then negative 2. Okay? So, ito yung complex number in rectangular form. We have approximately negative 1.66 into decimal place, right? Yung real part. Then, pindutan nyo lang tong right. For the imaginary part, approximately negative 3.64 into decimal place. Okay? Negative 3.64i. Which is correct. Okay, next, for 5, 2.5 sees 3 pi. So, we have r equivalent to 2.5 and then theta equivalent to 3 pi. So, 2.5 angle, then theta 3 pi. Okay, we have the complex number in rectangular form purely real lang na negative 5 halves, which is correct. Okay? Kayo naman, try nyong i-verify sa CalQ, convert nyo ito to polar, which is negative 2 plus 5i. Okay? Convert nyo to r angle theta. And then, ito namang, let's say, 5 angle pi over 7. Convert nyo naman into x plus iy or rectangular form. And just comment your answers.